Alright, so now we're ready to put the newly rebuilt carburetor back in the leaf blower. And pretty simple. We basically have to take a look at, see, this is the where the linkage for the throttle goes into that hole. Here's that linkage right here. And then we've got a fuel line up here and a fuel line down here. So laid in like this. We'll get this linkage put in place. We'll push this fuel line back on where it came from in the back. The linkage is proving to be a little tricky. There we go. And then the other fuel line on top. The gasket is still in there from before. So there we go. And then take this, slide it back into place. And there are two nuts that we took off. 8mm. A little tight in there. There we go. And what we'll do then is we'll take the cover, this cover, put it back in place. So. G27. The air filter is back in place. It's all back together. Well, hook up the spark plug. So make sure this is not in the stop position. Choke. Press your primer bulb a few times. See what happens. There we go, ready to blow some leaves.